Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the pirate hat, as he puts one under his arm to show you a variation. So this is the pirate hat with the pirate print there. All right, a slight variation is this one here. So the red looks like the bandana of the pirate, and it's got an earring, and I put a slightly different print in there. So I'm going to explain the first one, but there's a variation to perhaps try. So you need a 260 and inflate it, and leave about 4 fingers uninflated on the other 260 as well. So both are the same. You do a 1 finger bubble. When you twist it, hold it, because otherwise, like that, it comes undone. Right. Squeeze the air, and you need between a 3 and a 4 finger fold twist. So put your hand up like that, alright, and twist that around. You can push the first bubble through to lock it in. Do the same on your other 260. Alright, so a 1 finger bubble, squeeze the air, and between a 3 and a 4 finger fold twist. Alright. Then you need 4 hands, so squeeze the air, you need 4 hands, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You put a twist here, and that will go around the fold twist there. And then on the other one, squeeze the air, do 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I found 4 generally fits okay, and that goes around the other fold twist. So that's your base of the hat. Alright, the small bubbles are underneath. You can do those up into pinch twists if you like, but I generally don't bother, so that's going to be the base. Oh, there. Then you need about a 7 finger bubble for the side of the hat, 2 finger pinch twist, so hold this here, twist this to here, pull it away, go for it, they're both hot, trust me, I was semi-professional. On the other side, you need a 7 finger bubble again, a 2 finger bubble. Now, you will have slightly variations here, so I'm going to use they will vary in length. So I'm going to use this one, and you need, waffling on a bit there, wasn't I? About 5 finger bubble, right, and that's going to go to the pinch twist on this side, right, and then the same balloon is going to go back with the 5 finger bubble back to there, alright, so you go round to there, back it around. That. So the same balloon that you went the 5 finger there, you do the 5 finger again, wrap that around the other pinch twist, deflate this, and then you need between a 10 and a 12 finger bubble on this one. It depends how big you inflate your prints. I've done 2 strokes of the pump, alright, so I'm going to go 1, 2, so if I go to 3, and you can put that in and roughly see that, yep, I reckon that'll be okay for me. So, twist that down there. Now the print I normally just push fit, alright, but what you can do, if you're not happy with the push fit, deflate the rest of this balloon, and the rest of that slack, and you can see it there, you could actually attach to the other pinch twist, or the other side, and then tie the print to that. Alright, but as I said, I don't bother, I just put that in there, push fit that in, there you go, and there's your pirate hat. Alright, I'll give it a 12. I'm having trouble focusing with my very focal glasses here. There we go. Anyway, so hope it's of some use to you. If you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, that'd be great. Tell a few friends. And there are some variations on the hat on Balloon Chat, which is the forum we run. So bye for now. See ya. Cheerio. Thanks for watching and tuning in.